Right, boys. So Uncle Andrew wedding's coming up. Uncle Andrew and Auntie Amber. Okay. And it's also Father Day coming up soon as well. So we're gonna do this easy project for them. Remember we had the scroll saw?
Yeah.
That was fun, right?
Yeah.
But this one's gonna be a little different. We're gonna etch it onto metal. Okay. This is another skills where, you know, arts and craft.
Yeah.
If you
it's
can do
also
it.
going to be confusing.
No, it's not gonna be confusing, buddy. But then we're gonna start with this stencil. This is called stencil.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. Stencil. And we're gonna etch it onto the stainless steel sheet or metal. All right.
Okay.
Cool.
Cool.
First,
Daddy,
mm-hmm.
I'm sleeping off.
No, you're not.
Yes,
You're
I am.
shrimp. So we have to carefully put the stencil onto the metal. I've already cleaned the metal and I cut it down to, you know, approximate size. But be careful, okay? There's sharp edges here since it's cut. So when you guys,
Edge right there. You have to be careful.
yeah, you guys gotta be careful of the sharp edges, okay?
Okay.
Don't run your finger across the edge.
Okay.
Got it?
Got it.
All right, let's zoom in.
And let's get to work, boys and girls.
You want to do Uncle Andrew first, or you want to do Uncle first?
I'm wise first.
And Uncle is Daddy on whose side? Mommy or Daddy's side?
Mommy.
Mommy. Okay. So let me see this in frame. I'm gonna go over here, okay?
Okay.
So do who first again?
I'm wise.
And why? Okay. So I try to cut this as close as possible. I'm gonna use this side. And we're gonna carefully remove the stencil, the backing paper from the
Front paper.
front piece.
Is this maybe like a sticker?
It is.
Can I take it off?
No, but you gotta be careful, okay?
Okay.
So first thing first, we gotta make sure
That
that
nothing.
everything that needs to be here are here.
Okay. It's kind of peeling on.
You want it to be on this side too,
No,
okay?
buddy. Just one. That's our backup, okay?
Okay. Okay, now this is where the razor cutter comes in.
Yeah. So we're gonna use that. Make sure that stay down. Oh, it stay down.
Oh,
Yeah. It's not as easy, huh?
not as easy as it looks. Everything's falling.
Okay, I think we actually need backup now.
No, we don't, right?
Don't wait.
Don't peel that bub.
Yeah.
Can't feel this.
It's sticky.
Oh, perfect.
Oh.
I'm gonna do it closely.
Be very careful, Dad.
Yes, sir.
Hopefully we
Stop
don't
shaking the bud.
mess it up. Hopefully we don't mess it up.
Oh. Oh,
Fine.
shoot. Oh, no.
But
This thing pop up.
it should stick when we're on the metal, Dad, so just not too
I
worried.
know it's stick to metal, buddy. But that's not what I'm worried about. See how the line got off now?
Yeah.
Try to fix as best as you can, okay?
Okay.
On this weekend.
So how are we going to edge? Where's reconnecting? What time is it?
Ah,
Okay. So we got all of these in.
okay.
Now we need to figure out how to fix that E
We
at
got
0
That's
and
six.
it's 6.
I think a 6 is fine.
It can be, but we can make it better. Wouldn't that be a better result?
Yeah.
And this is your gift to Uncle Andrew and Auntie.
I'm like, this is the big wedding. They've been waiting.
Mm-hmm.
We don't want to mess it up.
Slowly use a diagonal.
Makes it
Slowly
go-
peel it away.
That was smooth.
Okay, now here's the hard part. How in the
No,
world
we-
are we going to reattach these?
One of them is on the finger.
I know.
Okay, there we go.
Okay.
That's for the 6, I think.
I think it's very screwed up.
Yeah, I don't jinx it.
I know. I bet that scrap. Whatever. That does not look like.
Oh no.
No.
That's
See how tricky it is?
yeah.
Yeah.
You have to maneuver it somehow.
Maneuver. Maneuvering that thing. Ooh, that looks hard.
Yeah. So I'm going to etch this. The date for you guys.
Okay.
So if it's messed up, you know, I can't blame anybody but myself.
Yeah, I know.
We can always take a dark blue Sharpie. It's like
Alright, this is etching.
I know.
I think that's 6.
How come it's like this?
What?
Another one.
I know. Because sometimes it's hard, huh? The letters are so small. Okay, let's review it. Let's see if we miss anything, okay?
Okay.
Is there anything that should not be there? Especially for the name.
No.
Everything is good?
Yeah, except for that hair.
No, that's not here. Well, when we etch it, you won't even know it's there. Cool?
Yeah.
Is Eli's approval?
Eli approval?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll
Does
take
it
it.
have the end approval?
I don't know. Is in approval?
Yeah.
So you call it Eli's approval?
If you mess it up, Auntie and Uncle's gonna be mad at you, not me. We'll
You
trim
made
this
up
side
the
later, okay?
stutter.
I'll
Yeah.
trim this later.
Yeah, okay.
So now we had to hook up the etching machine.
It's not a machine.
It's
It
the
can't.
machine.
It can't work. Okay.
Okay.
That's
Cool.
good.
Yeah, cool.
Does
Now,
it have the daddy's approval?
Daddy approve. Semi-approve.
itch.
But we are learning, so
It's
Now you gotta hook up that machinery of yours.
let's see.
You gotta hook up that
What's
machinery.
Wait, wait. This is just a simple solution.
I know. It's like
salt water.
cold soap water.
Yeah, just salt.
It's just water.
Okay. You add enough salt. Maybe like, do it right. Since
I
one of you
feel-
two. Like 2 tablespoons. Stop shaking, E-man.
Yeah, I'm just so excited.
1.
Wow. This actually reminds me of the same thing. It's
Like
like,
a
it's like
borax?
Yeah, the
Borax something?
yeah, we did the same thing for the crystal, the salt crystal. Remember? Make sure that's all blended out.
Hey, tell me.
Dissolve.
Hey, tell us when it's time to switch.
You can switch. E-man, be careful.
yeah. Hey guys, do you know? I don't know what soap water is. It's that you have to go use it in the future because in the future you're going to take out a lot of teeth. And soap water helps you for that.
Yes. It's almost also a disinfectant.
Like me.
Yeah.
I'm sure gonna take out my tooth.
Let's see. So you see any more salt particle
No.
out here?
Nope.
If you don't see any more salt particle, you're good.
I see a bit
Alright.
more.
Now I'm only doing enough because we have 2 small artwork. But obviously, if the artwork's bigger, you need more, right? Who want to taste it?
Not me.
Not me.
Fine, I'm going to take this. I need adventurous man on this
No,
family.
you're gonna die. Okay. See how clear it is?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or it's somewhat clear? That's what
Yeah.
you're looking for.
Not too clear, but it's clear.
Okay, let's go outside. We're gonna test. We're gonna practice etching before we do the real artwork. Okay?
Okay.
Right. Alright, just to explain this one, if you're planning to use the electrical cord and plug it to your wall outlet, that's the black and white wire. Barely see the white right there. But the black would be neutral and the white would be positive. Just to show you the difference between the 2 art. Before I continue, I purposely cut the white shorter or vice versa, so that way these won't touch each other. Again, I'm showing you the electrical wire method, the electrical cord. You can see sparks and smokes coming out of it because the current's much stronger. This was the part I did a couple days ago, just to test out which method I like better. I prefer the electrical wire because it does leave a deeper groove and you can see it better. This is with the battery pack. This is with the electrical wires. You ready?
I did, yeah.
You did pretty well. Let's do the focus. So which one you guys want to do first?
I want to do
want to
Uncle
do this
Andrew.
Oh, you want to do Uncle Andrew's? Okay.
Yeah. So you
I'll
guys
do
can do.
grandpa.
Okay. I need to see.
Okay, go. Soak some cotton in. Where's the alligator clip goes?
On the cotton.
Oh, on the cotton, honey. On the cotton.
No.
On the cotton, okay, just like that.
There we go.
Closer to the jaw. There you go. Don't peel anything until you're comfortable with how deep it is. Leave it there, leave it there. Oh, sorry. There you go. That's right. For these areas like here, like the G, make sure you dab, okay? So the little man decided to be adventurous here and use the electrical cord method. This method uses direct current from your wall outlet and it requires supervision. Show yours, Hi.
So this is how mine went.
And yours, Am. So you guys did two different methods, okay?
And this is how mine went.
Yes, charcoal. You can barely see them. Okay, let's zoom in and we're gonna review how it looks like, okay? Give me 1 sec to set our camera down. Okay, let's recap. Okay?
Yeah.
So for yours, E-Man, what do you use?
I used a battery method.
Yeah, and we use a car jumper battery.
Yeah.
Okay. And what can you observe between yours and which one do you use? Okay.
I used the electrical cable method, and
Yeah, and
it
we
came
plug
out
it into
much.
the wall outlet,
It
right?
came out much deeper
Correct.
than the other, and then much darker.
And how about your side? What do you observe from yours?
I heard that mine is etched lightly.
Yeah, yours barely make
Symbols.
you can still see it, man. You still see it, but the etching, if you feel along the words, some part are not that deep. The grooves are not that deep, right?
Yeah.
However, for the electrical wire one, the one where we plug into the wall outlet, it's much deeper and cleaner lines and much quicker.
Mhm.
Is that right?
So it was more efficient.
Mm-hmm.
But it's also dangerous. Don't forget about
It's a little
that.
dangerous, so you have to do it with
Gloves.
with care.
You
Okay.
don't need gloves.
And this one we're doing it for Uncle Andrew and Uncle Amber wedding, right? As a wedding gift, right?
Mhm.
And the only thing I did after you guys finished your etching was to make a
Stand.
Yeah, stand with a 15-degree cut, and I added some magnets.
So it could stick.
Yeah, so they can put it on their table, or they can put it on the
Their
fridge, right?
Yeah.
All right.
But like doing this then?
No.
This
You
lantern?
gotta turn it outside.
I know. It's just that if you want to hand it to the fridge, this one doesn't have any magnets.
Yeah, I need to get more glue stick, and then we'll add magnets on here before we give it to Grandpa.
Cool.
And this one, we already put magnets on the back, so it can stick to the fridge.
Yeah.
All right, boys. Now let's wrap this up. The wedding's tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yes, sir.